Hello. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make some air-dried clay out of ingredients that you probably already have at home. I made this little hummingbird. It's about 2.5 inches tall. I made this rose. Oh, there we go. And it's very simple to do. You start out with 4 ounces of PVA glue. It's just your regular white school glue, runny white glue. And you want to put that in a microwave safe bowl because we're going to cook it in the microwave. Then you add an equal amount of cornstarch, which is a 1/2 cup. I'm going to carefully measure that. The proportion of the glue and the cornstarch needs to be the same, so you can make a bigger or smaller batch as you need. And then you mix it really well so that all the cornstarch is mixed into the glue. It's a pretty wet dough. It's about the consistency of cookie dough. Then you're going to add forgot to get the lemon juice out. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of oil, and it can be any kind of oil. Canola oil, I'm using almond oil here, baby oil, and then I am adding some orange essential oil, 1/8 of a teaspoon, just to make it smell nice. You stir those ingredients in. They're completely blended in. It's getting pretty sticky now. You want to make sure that everything is blended evenly. There we go. And I'm going to take that knife and make sure all the stuff on my spoon gets blended evenly. It looks like that. Really doesn't take that long to blend it. So I'm going to scrape it off of my scraper here with a knife. And we're going to pop it into the microwave. 45 seconds on my microwave, which takes a little longer. Might be 30 seconds, might be a minute, depending on how fast or slow your microwave is. You could sing a song. I'll show you the hummingbird again. Isn't he cute? If you have acrylic paint, you could paint on him. I am probably going to use some nail polish. I've been waiting to get some blue and green nail polish to paint it. And there's the rose. There's the rose. Okay, then you take it out. and stir it back up again. Make sure everything is mixed and evenly heated. Scrape it off again. You're going to put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. And I found that this works better making small things. The clay tends to compress on itself, so it's hard to build something big, but something small in the 2-inch range works better. You can also roll it out and use a cookie cutter and cut it and make ornaments that way. All right, so when that's done, pull it out of the microwave. It's not boiling hot, but it's warm. Give it another stir. And then you're going to put some more cornstarch on a piece of parchment. That might be too much. I'm going to scoop some of that back in. But we may need it. And you're going to turn out your dough here onto your parchment. It has more. Scrape as much out of the bowl as you can. You do not want this going down your pipes. It's pretty sticky glue, basically. Turn it out onto your parchment. Take off your jewelry. And you're going to get some cornstarch on your hands and just begin to knead this. Get out all the lumps. I feel a big lump in there. The combination of the glue and the lemon juice in particular makes it a sticky clay, and then of course the cornstarch gives it body. The oil makes it workable. You want to just keep working in that cornstarch. See, that's too sticky still, until it has a nice pull apart where it doesn't just flop. So I'm going to keep working it. If you didn't add enough cornstarch, you can always add more. And the more you work it, the tougher it gets, the more sturdy it'll be. So let's check it now. It's close. I'm going to just use up the rest of the cornstarch I have here. Roll it into a ball. And let's see if it'll hold a ball shape. It's ready to use. You can pull it apart. You can roll it out and cut it. The more you work it, the drier it gets, the easier it is to use until it dries out completely. If it dries out too much, it starts to crumble and crack. So it's a little bit of a delicate balance. So I'm not going to use it right away. So I'm going to roll it into a ball And then you want to put it into a plastic bag with a couple of drops of oil. You could use your essential oil if you want. It doesn't take much oil. And seal it tightly in a bag and put it in a cool, dry place until you are ready to sculpt it. All right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.